Alright, so the last couple of things I want to do is show you how to put a comment on here and also to link a video in here. So there's a couple of different ways to do that. The comment's the easiest one. Over here on the left hand side is a comment, and you're going to put a comment in your own board area so people can leave notes on it. So if you click on comment, you can come in and left click, and the only comment I want you to put in it is just parametric column, and then just put your initials, right? So it's unique, right? And you can go in and adjust that, right? You can pick a color. And then if you click outside of it, hit escape a couple of times, it just leaves this little comment here, and people can come in and sort of comment on this. You can come up here and follow this thread. It's by default set to follow, but what you want to really do is make sure that if you come up to this settings, that follow all threads does not say does not have a check next to it. So I'm removing that check because you don't want to follow all the threads on this board because there'll be 70 of them. So what you want to do is just have this guy and then click on follow this thread, and it will just notify you about new replies in this thread, right? You can also just unfollow everything and just come and check the board when you want to, but I think, it'd be nice to know when people were commenting. And also keep your comments positive. So there's that guy. So just add that. And then the last thing you'll do is put a link to your video. Now you're going to need to host your video on the YouTube or something like that. And if you are unable or have an issue with that, then if you would let either me or Corey or the TAs know, and we will try to help you out with that process. But right now I have this column twist video here, and if I go to my YouTube channel, I can just upload that video right to my YouTube channel. So I'm just going to drag it in there, and once it puts it in there, I can then copy that video link right to my clipboard. So I'm just going to go ahead and copy that, and I'll just go next on here and finish the putting it up there process, and YouTube will start to publish it, and it'll say it's going to take a little while, and that's fine. I'll just hit close, and let's go back to our Miro board. And there's a couple of different ways. I've now got that link copied to my clipboard. There's a couple of different ways. Whoop, sorry about that. There's a couple of different ways you can link things. You could have an image, so you can link through an image, or you can link through text. I'll show you how to do it through text. So I'm just going to click on the text here and put in link to column video, right? And so that will go in there, and I can click on this insert link now, or I can click off of it and select it and right click on it and link to. So there's a couple of different, like this is kind of the same thing. So if I insert link, I can just paste that link in there and apply it, right? So now you see that that guy is hyperlinked. If I Control Z out of that, right, if I click on it and right click and link to and do this and confirm, it will actually give me a little YouTube video thing up here. So it's kind of up to you. They work both the same way, but now if I click on this, it will actually in a separate tab open this and play it, right? So if I maximize that guy, you can start to see it playing the video. Okay. All right, so that's how to populate it. If you have any questions, we'll go over it in class.